For this Google Classroom, we're going to be finding one more and one less for the numbers 60 through 80. You're going to find your number in the middle, in the circle, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find it on the number line. So grab your oval and put it right over top of the number that is shown. So I know my number is 73. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find one more. And I'm going to use my number line to help me with this if I need to. This arrow is showing me that I'm going to go to the right, so one more is 74. I'm going to double click my question mark and type in 74 with my keyboard. Then I'm going to go backwards for one less. See the arrow? It's pointing backwards. I can use the number line to help me. And one less is 72. So I'm going to double click and type in 72 using my keyboard. The next thing you're going to do are my two mathematical equations below. I have 73 minus 1 and 73 plus 1. I can use my number line to help me if I need it. So 73 minus 1, I go back 1, and I know that's 72, so I'm going to double click and type in 72 with my keyboard. And then 73 plus 1, I know is 74, so I'm going to double click and type in 74 with my keyboard. I'm going to make sure all of my screens are done here on the side, and when I get to the end, I'm going to turn it in.